We'll guide you through how to check Figma history. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account. Choose one of the projects whose version history you want to review by clicking its thumbnail or title. Once the project opens, the edit page will appear with the canvas and all design elements ready for editing. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner of the interface and click the Figma logo. A pop-up menu will appear with several options related to your file and workspace. From this menu, select File to open the file management options. Continue by choosing Show Version History from the available list. After selecting this option, the version history panel will appear on the right side of the canvas. This panel displays a chronological list of saved versions, allowing you to review changes that have been made to the project over time. Scroll down through the panel to browse the complete version history and locate the specific version you want to inspect. When you find an entry that interests you, simply click it to load and preview the contents of that saved version. You can compare previous edits, review design progress, or identify when certain changes were made. This feature is especially useful for tracking revisions, recovering earlier work, or understanding how your project has evolved over time. After reviewing the version you need, you can return to the current version and continue editing your design as usual. Using version history regularly is a helpful habit for managing project revisions and maintaining an organized design workflow without losing important progress.